Located in Milpitas, California, Meritronics brings more than 25 years of turnkey PCB assembly and electronics design to the Silicon Valley. We carry state-of-the-art equipment and capabilities similar to other industry giants for you to enjoy Tier 1 service and technology without the hassle of dealing with Tier 1 bureaucracy. From prototypes, pilot runs, and mass manufacturing, we can help you achieve your goals for your next project domestically or overseas. We provide A through Z solutions from design and assembly to box build integrations. And with our global supply chain solutions, we can make worldwide deliveries fast and efficient. We've invested millions in our commitment to sustainable energy, and our headquarters has the largest solar installation in the city, providing solar manufacturing capabilities for a smaller carbon footprint. With over 1,000 employees spanning across California, Nevada, Taiwan, and China, Meritronics has been an SMT and PCB assembly leader with over 12 lines, capable of any project, whether small or large. We have the largest machines at our facilities, from the Fuji IMX3, Micronic MYDX, LPKF Microline 2820P, just to name a few. And we welcome you to contact us anytime to become one of our satisfied customers and enjoy a long-term partnership together.